Did you know that pinching back marigolds will give you stronger plants and more blooms later? So once they have two sets of true leaves, you can do this to encourage branching. We're using marigold flowers this year in our spring vegetable garden as companion plants. We're hoping they will help us keep away aphids and other pests. Our other seedlings still look amazing. I was planning to pinch back these luffa and basil plants too, but they're not quite big enough yet. So I'll have to catch these next time. Guess what? Our first baby chick hatched. The kids have been glued to the incubator watching every tiny peck and movement of the eggs. And it just so happens that the first day of spring was this week. Nothing says spring like baby chicks. Next weekend, we'll have ducks hatching too. Now let's check on our tomatoes. These were planted on March the 7th and they're growing strong. If you're wondering when to start tomato seeds indoors, the answer depends on your frost date. So find your frost date and start your seeds 6 to 8 weeks before you need to plant them outside. So we timed these just right. We made a super last minute decision to plant peas where our pumpkins are going to go later this summer. Peas are a perfect early spring vegetable because they thrive in cooler weather, and we almost missed this window. We chose to plant snowbird peas because they don't need any support, so that made it easier for us to grow these here. We let our kids help, and they had a blast, of course, getting the peas in the ground. Hopefully, they all ended up in the right place. Lots of growth, exciting things happening in the garden, and even a new baby chick. So if you love garden updates, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss next week, because we've got ducklings on the way. See you in the next video.